Hey, thanks for tuning in. It's been a while since I posted on this channel, but I'm really looking forward to getting back into vlogging and sharing this little adventure to start. 3 days on the island of Hawaii with 3 good friends of mine and a 4x4 truck that we rented, and we drove around the island quite a bit and got to see an amazing array of nature and have some awesome adventures, including spitting fire in front of an active volcano. So stick around for those clips and also a little recap of the price breakdown at the end, so you kind of have an idea of what 3 days would actually cost you to go on a similar adventure with some of your friends. So please enjoy, stay tuned, and yeah, most of all, follow your heart's call to your own adventure into the world, because that truly is what I feel like life is about.
So this is Pele and Kamapua'a merging and to form together in a divine union that creates the co-creation of the new birth, which is literally the year of 2022, what we've been birthing. And what we've been having conversations on at the Hawaii Spiritual Center pretty much all year about this exact depiction that is depicted right here, occurring right now. Such a blessing.
We are here on Big Island. We just landed, 4 of us having an epic adventure. We're heading up north for our first stop, and maybe go on a little hike, and then we'll check into our place in Kona, and we have a night dive with the stingrays tonight, so manta rays tonight, so it's stoked. Shoo!
Attention to how your guide's entering the water. This is how you're gonna get in, okay? You just sit down on the back. You want to slide in nice and quietly so you don't splash and scare away the mantis, okay? All right, pose open.
That's the part I call licking the dinner plate, right there. When they get close like that. That's when you usually get little belly taps or something.
We are here in Kailua Kona. This is day 2 of an epic 4-day bro adventure. We're just hopping over from Oahu. Yesterday we went on a pretty epic hike. There's some clips of that. And then we went on a night dive, which was like highly unexpected as far as how amazing and how close we'd get to these manta ray. That was just like, yeah, this guy booked that one, and that was just so cool. Today we're having breakfast on the water right now, and this evening we're gonna head up Mauna Kea for sunset. And we're also in the middle of the Perseids meteor shower, and it's a full moon, and we're trying to experience as much as we can and share it with you. So thanks for tuning in. We'll keep you updated in our flow, and yeah, aloha. Changing clothes, getting layers on to go up the mountain. We're pretty much at the base of Mauna Kea right now. And yeah, it's a high energy place. If you have to transform your life, this is a good place to come set intentions and do it. The tallest mountain in the world from the bottom of the ocean, a beacon in the middle of nowhere. See you at the visitor center halfway up. We are now here at Hilo Tavern towards the end of day 2. We went up Mauna Kea with just under half a tank of gas, and the people at near the summit told us that we shouldn't go any further because a half a tank of gas goes much quicker at that elevation from the lack of oxygen. So we didn't make it to the actual summit. We had a beautiful sunset just near the visitor center, and a heart-to-heart with brothers that I cannot even explain to you. Either way, if you're on Big Island for a few days, make sure you make it to Mauna Kea. Even the visitor center has a beautiful experience waiting for you. And now we are at Hilo Tavern, the only place open after 9 p.m. on Fridays. And yeah, cheers. We're gonna enjoy dinner, and then we're gonna go check in at our second location, Airbnb. We're here at the Uncle Robert's Saturday Farmers Market, Kalapana. This is an old lava flow from the 1980s. And yeah, every Saturday the community comes out and sells amazing produce and food and their arts and crafts, and it's just a beautiful place to check in and see what people are offering in the community, and kind of get a feel for what's happening more locally, and kind of just get a vibe of how people are living down here as well. So let's take a walk. I got some empanadas. Hello? Hey. We are here at Narnia. Literally, we went through some kind of wardrobe cupboard, like a closet, and we came out at this waterfall. I don't know how we got here, but it's otherworldly. And if you're around Hilo Town, definitely check this out. It's you'll find it if you want to, Narnia Waterfalls, and it's one of the most magical places I've been in a while. I just, whew. Yeah, get some nature into your life. Get your life into some nature. In this being like a revamp of my vlogging, I realized I didn't spend time documenting these things. I don't really care for them personally, but I realize they're very useful when inspiring others to travel and take that adventure. It's good to have some records of the costs and expenses, just so people have an idea of what they're getting into. With that in mind, the vehicle that we rented, a 4x4 truck, cost us $80 a day, and $50 to deliver to the airport and $50 so that we could park it at the airport upon leaving. Price breakdown for 3 days, that's 80 times 3 is 240, plus 100 for the airport service would be 340 for 3 days, and that's split between 4 people. And then we had our accommodations, the other bulk costs, right? The other expensive cost. And we stayed at an Airbnb the first night, which cost us like $250 around. And then we stayed on the following 2 nights, we stayed at the Hawaiian Sanctuary, which is located in Pahoa Town. And they have a whole range of options, a bit more eco village-esque, and it wasn't that amazing by any means, but I really liked the area and it was cheap. So yeah, we've got the vehicle price $340, we've got the initial first night $250, and then we've got the following 2 nights, let's say $250 for both, $125 a night for the Hawaiian Sanctuary. And then on top of that, the night dive with the manta rays, that was $160 ticket. A little pricey, but overall, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and it was really cool, and I had no regrets. And then you got food, snacks, gas, and other expenses in between. Let's say, loosely, I personally spent $5 to $700 that weekend, and have memories for the rest of my life. That mountain, the tallest mountain in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the world, tallest mountain in the world, Mauna Kea. To go there at least once is priceless. And yeah, to take these little adventures is worth it. And I highly encourage you to fulfill that dream. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, stay tuned, like it, share it. Let's all go viral until we're all viruses. I hope your life is amazing and that you're making it even more.